위해서 더욱 노력합시다. Thank you.
I am honored and delighted to be here today in my capacity as the Acting Minister for Fisheries to represent the Fijian government in the signing of this comprehensive Memorandum of Understanding to formalize and deepen the partnership between our two countries. The MOU contains the broader platform of cooperation in fisheries and aquaculture. It is a significant milestone in our ongoing collaboration. For years, the Republic of Korean government has been very supportive in empowering Fijians with the advanced knowledge and skills to deliver services at a heightened level. Through this opportunity, a good number of fisheries officials in the ministry have attained advanced formal qualification with significant expanse their knowledge base to meet and address challenging situations that calls for action in the fisheries sector. We have come a long way. We live in highly competitive and demanding times. Fiji, being a small island state, is vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, especially for the fisheries sector. I therefore believe that the time is right to strengthen and enhance our fisheries cooperation. The many challenges that we face call for new ways of working and for policy coherence built through engagement of various stakeholders in the sector. The Memorandum of Understanding we will sign today, along with its accompanying action plan, which we will follow suit from here on, bring our work in line with the goals and targets set out in Fiji's National Development Plan and the Ministry of Fisheries Strategic Development Plan for the next 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to highlight a few priority areas of our partnership. Our first priority is for the exchange of information, data, scientists, researchers, and specialists. In this modern era, information is power and is the basis of good planning and decision-making in the sector. We need to sustain and diversify our coastal fisheries, rapidly grow our aquaculture fishery, and create value for our offshore fisheries. To do this requires reliable data, information, science, and research. Rather than reinventing the wheel, we look up to countries who have been successful in these areas and to adopt best practice, learnings of which the Republic of Korea is one. Our second priority is to build on from where we are now with regards to training, exposure, and capacity building programs for fisheries and aquaculture development to support our priorities in the fisheries sector. Academic exchanges and its related supporting activities is critical in this process. Our third priority is research, development, and utilization of science and technology in the field of fisheries and aquaculture. This will enhance promotion of cooperation between private sectors of the two countries in the areas of fishing operations, aquaculture, fish processing, fishery product distribution and marketing, and other fisheries-related industry. Our two remaining priorities are premised on the enhancement of cooperation through international organizations, including the Food and Agricultural Organization and the World Bank, and collaborative activities to prevent illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. Ladies and gentlemen, the signing of this Memorandum of Understanding marks the consolidation of a true partnership, one that would build Fiji to become the best fishery in the Pacific. The timing could not be better. We must seize the opportunity to harness the current momentum as laid down in the national and sector plans, and above all, the 2030 United Nations Agenda for Sustainable Development. This MOU will also be the vehicle for finalizing other highly important projects which we had commenced dialogue and are beginning to realize. In closing, I would like to express once again my sincere gratitude to Your Excellency, Vice Minister Yang Shu, and the distinguished members of of the delegation, and Your Excellency, Ms. Sinsi, in making this agreement a reality. With goodwill, clear ambition, and a strong commitment to working together, the Fijian government looks forward to taking the next steps towards our common goal of sustaining, managing, and protecting our fisheries for better and more equitable well-being for our current and future generations. Thank you.